Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice.
Hi, let's look at today's trade. So today I'm seeing like $639. So today it was a profit, and you could see like 57% increase from yesterday. And as a whole, I'm still 74% down, like 1860 down. So I had 2500, and currently I'm having only 639. Let's go to today's trade. Yesterday I was holding two put calendar spreads. One was bought at $232 and one was bought at $210. So yesterday also I was out of my way, like not following the rule and just keeping the put side only. And today morning I was able to close, like it was bought 2 days before, maybe Wednesday, and I closed both with $295 per contract. So today Tesla morning it fell down and it reached almost $170, and that's where I got the profit. Day trade as well. So I had one day trade pending. Today I see Tesla falling, so I bought three Tesla 167.50 shares. Strike price with 193 per contract. So I bought three, and today itself I closed at 210. So I got around $17 per contract. So three, it's like $51 as benefit of. Then I went back to my SPY the usual way. Like if you go here, I am currently holding SPY. So I have 412 call and 366 put. And in total, I am on a loss of $21. Three debit calendar spreads I have bought. If you go inside, like I bought it for 90 cents one, so $270. Dollars I put for the call side. Similarly, on the put side also, $90 per contract per calendar spread. So it's like three calendar spreads. So 270 again I put there. So currently the spy is at 396. So yeah, it was like if you go to the spy chart, I bought it around this 394 395 time, and it is same like it is still at 396. So there is not much. It's like a range bond, and there was not much changes. That's why both went on a loss. But still, I'm holding, and hopefully tomorrow there will be a big deviation on either side, and I can close that on profit. So that's it. So 74. That's it for the day. 74% is still down, and today I had a good day with 57% profit.